Electrified Slugs.
This is Mixed Slug, and this is our project for the 2024 Farm Robotics Challenge.
To begin using the mobile application with MixSlug, the user is required to open the accompanying joystick app on the tractor, in turn creating a server. In addition, the user opens the dashboard and enables auto mode. Now stepping back from MixSlug, the user opens the application with a preloaded IP address of MixSlug. Later explained, this ensures correct communication protocol between the mobile application and MixSlug. Under the joystick application tab, the user can set the maximum forward-backward velocity and left-right turning speed. Once satisfied, the user can now select the Connect button and control MixSlug. Additionally, on the application, the user can see the live video stream of the Amiga. This can help with control of the Amiga from a farther distance. Clearly, you can see that the user is well behind MixSlug and is still able to control its velocity and turning rate. This distance from user and Amiga can aid with carrying heavy load material and safely navigate around the farm. For our team's purpose, and as proposed, control over MixSlug helps us debug our line-following application from a much greater, safer distance. Now letting go of the joystick, the user has stopped the Amiga, one of our major safety implementations. Opening the app now, the IP address created by MixSlug's connection to a Wi-Fi network has already been put into the input text box. Now selecting load, the application is ready to be used. Switching over to the joystick tab allows the user to connect to the server and give full control of the Amiga's movement. To do so, the user must first select the idle button. Utilizing a UDP communication protocol, this button performs a handshake connection from the client, in this case the tablet, to the server, the Amiga. This communication system took many iterations to develop as it needed to function without slowing down other processes. We go into detail on how we got to this point and its modularity in our report. Having now connected, moving the virtual joystick in an upward direction translates into a forward velocity of MixSlug. Similarly, dragging the virtual joystick downward will result in a backwards velocity. Moving the joystick to the left results in a counterclockwise movement, and to the right in a clockwise movement. As shown in the bottom of the screen, the user can also adjust sliders to affect the maximum speed of MixSlug. This input is directly mapped to the virtual joystick presented on the screen. As explained before, we can also witness the live stream video of the Amiga's front camera. Looking at the emergency stop button now, the user has toggled it on. This restricts access to use the joystick, namely, if attempted to move MixSlug, the virtual joystick will not move. Additionally, MixSlug is now receiving a command of halt movement. Once the emergency stop button is toggled again, the user can move the joystick and in turn, the Amiga.